Up next is Janice Stevenson.
Hello, I'm Janice Stevenson. I'm the North American Sales Manager for SureChem at Digital Science, and I'm going to talk a little bit about one of our particular products called SureChem Direct. Before I do, just briefly, Digital Science is a division of Macmillan Publishing, and we specialize in software solutions for scientists. SureChem in general is about providing chemistry searching within the patent corpus. And we do this using an automated process, and we believe that ours is the most advanced, and it's constantly improving in the environment. Just quickly to go through this, we start by working with patent literature that we're getting from IFI Claims, their patent global database. We do a proprietary process within those, particularly with US, EP, and world patents, to locate the chemistry throughout the entire document. So we're looking at the title, the description, the claims, and the abstract. We're not just focusing in on particular pieces. We then take that information that we've done and we utilize the ChemAxon tools to first standardize and then check those structures. We also use a ChemAxon tool as one of our names to structure tools. We actually utilize 5 at this point. Then we take that information and we make it searchable using JChemBase. That is for all of our products. Just so that you know a little bit about our data collection, as I said, we annotate US, EP, and world. We also do Japanese abstracts. We have at this point approximately 12 million unique structures, and that number is growing. We also, by the way, in addition to searching the text, we do look also at the images that are coming from the complex work units for the US patents, images associated with the EP and world patents as well. SureChem Direct comes in 2 flavors. This is something we actually only released really in August, so this is new. We have an API version. We also have a data feed version. Right now what we're really focusing on is the API version. And what this allows you to do then is to integrate with your own internal databases and workflows so that you can bring our data in and then slice it and dice it however you'd like to do that. One of the things that's unique about SureChem is that if you have brought the data in and you've integrated it into your work, whatever structures, whatever patent literature you may have downloaded, when your licensing period ends, you are not asked to return that data. That data is yours to continue to work with. We do provide next-day indexing of the chemistry from the patent text. Because frequently the images are not published at the same moment as the text, there is sometimes up to a potential 2-week delay. But again, as soon as we get those images, we are processing the images within 24 hours. We do provide off-the-shelf deployment, including pipeline pilot support, and others as well, if we want to do that. So I'm just going to do a real quick talk about a case study, how you might actually use this. And this is how you could do potentially drug discovery fragment substitution. So I may have a molecule and I'm interested in perhaps enhancing the bonding capabilities, but I don't really want to change the overall functionality. So what I'm going to be looking at doing is a bioesosteric replacement. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go out and through my work, I'm going to gather together bioactive structures. I probably am also going to be looking at some combination with something about the patent literature, the text itself. Perhaps I'm looking at assignee data. Perhaps I'm going to be looking at particular phrases that might occur within the abstract in terms of the efficacy of the molecules. Then, using the ChemAxon JChemBase as well as our leucine searching, we go and we search for that information. We, from that, can choose then what we might consider to be a lead structure that has the bioactivity in the realm where we want it to be. We identify a piece of that molecule that we'd like to see substituted. Then what we'll do is we will crop that main structure to remove that one piece and perform a substructure search, again using JChemBase, to locate other molecules to see what they're using in that location where we've pulled the fragment. We identify what those pairs might be. We look to see what we can do in terms of improving bioactivity, and this is key. This is frequently why people are looking at patent literature, is we want to make sure that there are no claims, no existing claims in any patent literature out there on that substitution. That information can then be exported from our system and distributed to the various chemists who may want to be seeing that information. We also have the ability within that to do family searching, so I can go in and say, I've looked at the US patent, what do I have coming out of the EP that would be related to that are family members. Across SureChem Direct as well as SureChem Pro, which we'll be releasing later this year, which is a web product for end users, you have the ability to do save searches. You have the ability, again, to do exporting, as I just said, and you have the ability to do distribution. We have, as I said, 3 products. SureChem Open, which is free, allows you to do searching, allows you to read the patents. You cannot export, you can't do things like create save searches. And then SureChem Direct, again, we have the API. We also do have the data feed for that. And if you'd like to talk to us, I'm out there, and we also could set up an evaluation with our chem informatics guy so that you can actually see SureChem Direct in its fullness. Thank you very much.